everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the best offers to promote on RichPush to make money fast. Let's go! Welcome to today's video, everybody, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to choose the best converting offers from RichPush that is going to make you money fast, just like that. But you might be wondering this question, hey, what is he talking about, choosing an offer from RichPush? RichPush is an ad network. How do you actually choose the offer from RichPush? So I wanted to explain the whole process on how it works. So first thing, you go ahead and choose the offer from an affiliate network, and then you go ahead and do your landing page. Once you have done that, you link your landing page with any tracker you have, external tracker, volume, binom, or anything, and then finally you go ahead and create an ad. So this is how it actually works, but our video is about finding the offer itself. So now we're going to find the offer. We want to know which offer is the best offer that we can take, and we're going to put in RichPush and we're going to make money. So how do we do that? For that purpose, we are going to use a little bit of resources that the RichPush actually offers, as well as that we're going to go to our affiliate network and check out what we can do about it. So the first thing that you should do is definitely go ahead and log in into RichPush. So once you have logged in into RichPush, this is how the RichPush dashboard looks like. So once you're here, the next thing that you should actually do is go to the reporting section over here, and once you click here, you'll be led to this particular page, and this section there is something which we call as traffic insight, and this is what we want to go ahead and take a look at. And this is one of the biggest highlight as RichPush as well. They actually offer a lot of stuff that you're going to see right now. So once we click on the traffic insight, you will be led to this particular home page of traffic insight RichPush, where there is tons and tons of data. There is CPC report, there is CTR report, and there's also impression report. And why this is actually important when you want to choose an offer. When you're choosing an offer, one of the most biggest decision that you will make, some people will say it's vertical. You're going to choose which vertical you're going to choose an offer from. It might be true, but usually what I will do is I will choose verticals. I just choose like sweepstakes, and then I'll choose a lot of verticals from a lot of different offers. You know, I choose grocery, I choose mobile, I choose electronic, and all this kind of stuff. So literally, vertical is not my main concern, but definitely sweepstake itself is a vertical. But then the main concern is definitely a geo, because most of the affiliate offers that would be targeting would be geo targeted. These resources that we can actually go ahead and use from RichPush, what we can actually do with these resources is we can determine the geo and how important a geo is, because most of the offers which is provided by the affiliate network, they are geo targeted, which means they do target only a specific geo. So you need to know the specification of your geo. For example, let's say you are going to make an offer, you're gonna make an ad for US, so you need to know what is at least the volume of US and what is the minimum CPC of US and all this kind of stuff. And this is where the RichPush traffic insight comes and helps you like crazy. And definitely there's a lot of stuff regarding the tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3 country. Like I always recommend to most of the beginner affiliate marketers or beginner media buyers, I would definitely tell you, do not go ahead and test with tier 1 traffic. The competition is high, the traffic is expensive. There would be a lot of problems that you might face when you're doing with the tier 1 traffic. But is the tier 1 traffic really that bad? No. If you are experienced, you know what you're doing, you have a money to spend, then tier 1 traffic is the place that you should go, which is Europe, US, and all this kind of stuff. But when you're beginning your affiliate marketing journey, you're just starting up. You need to have some freedom. You need to have some space to learn. You need to have some space to spend. You can't go ahead and spend 1,000 USD just because when you're starting to explore the media buying industry, the buying traffic industry. That's crap. That's not how it works. The way it works is you need to spend a very minimal budget to learn the whole process. You need to make mistakes. You can't afford to make mistake in tier 1 country. It will cost you a lot. But if it's the same mistake you actually make in a tier 3 country or tier 2 country, it will not cost you that much. That's why I always recommend the tier 2 and tier 3, in the sense of it would be a much more better learning space, especially for beginner affiliate marketers or beginner media buyers. This is something that they should keep in mind. And for today's video, we are going to choose a geo which is on the tier 3 country, which is called the Kenya. So this is what the tier that we're going to choose. So if you click on Kenya, you can actually see the average CPC of Kenya is actually very, very cheap. Actually, it's a little bit expensive. So I never expected Kenya to be this a little bit expensive compared to other traffic. So it's actually a little bit expensive. So it's 0.0189. So this is the average CPC. So you can actually see what is the best vertical in Kenya. You can see what is the best clicks in Kenya. So betting is one of the best. So you will have a rough idea when you're choosing an offer. You know, okay, if you choose betting, it's going to happen a little bit. If you choose gambling, you choose binary option, there's a high chance things will happen with Kenya Geo. So these are the things that you should actually keep in mind. And then you go to the impression section and then you search for Kenya again. Over here, you can actually go ahead and check out Kenya and how many impressions they have. So they have somewhere around 2.32 million impression by day, guys, and that is actually a crazy amount. So we have actually now know what vertical Kenya is, what vertical Kenya performs well on, what is the volume of Kenya, what is the average CPC of Kenya, and all this information can be used later on when you're creating ad. Not only that, the information could be used when you're choosing offer, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to our affiliate network, and for the purpose of this video, the affiliate network that we are using is Mobedia. In Mobedia, what we are going to do is we are going to choose our offer. And why Mobedia, guys? Why? There's a lot of affiliate networks. You might be asking me this question: why Mobedia? Why Mobedia? Because Mobedia has a very nice feature which is called the offer directory. If you actually click on this particular offer directory, it will lead you to this particular page where there's a lot and a lot of offers. You know what's the highlight about these offers? These are top converting offers, which means these offers are offers which is already been selling. It's not something new. It's not something which is brand new like that. It's something which is already there, already working. And if it's working for other people, there's a high chance it would work for you. Why do you want to reinvent the wheel when you can just hop in other people's wheel and ride with other people's wheel? That's the way you actually do it. So once you are here, you can actually go ahead and sort this by geo. So we're going to sort this by Kenya. And using the resources that you have took just now, maybe you want to go ahead and sort this a little bit more. So let's go ahead and sort this on some verticals. So we are going to go on is there any verticals over here? So there's no verticals, so we can actually go ahead. Let me just show here. So there's only sweepstakes and also everything. Okay, there's nothing much over here. So we can actually go ahead and see all the filters over here. So let's go ahead and check out the good running offers when it comes to Kenya. And is there any CPL offer? Let's check out if there's any CPL offers. So these are the offers that I usually run. So I'm not going to run these offers. So I'm just going to go back to CPA. Let's check out a CPA offer in Kenya. So as you can see, there's various of offers. So you can actually go ahead and choose any of this type of offer. Make sure whenever you're choosing the offer, make sure to take concentration of the flow, whether you want a double opt-in, single opt-in, SMS or anything. Make sure you follow whatever that you want. So I think let's not waste any time and choose an offer. So this offer looks pretty nice. Win an iPhone SMS billing. So as you can see, the payout is 0.21. So this is the offer ID. So click SMS. all traffic accepted, mainstream and adult. So allowed traffic, push is allowed, screenshot, banners are there, opportunities are there, targeting are there. So this looks pretty neat, right? So all you got to do is just go ahead and apply now. Choose the traffic that you're going to put, and if you have a lander, make sure you go ahead and click this button and put your lander there for your verification as well, because your affiliate manager, don't be scared to put your lander here and think, hey, my affiliate manager would actually go ahead and reject the whole thing because I put my lander and my lander is bad. Don't think in that perspective. Think in this perspective. Your affiliate manager will guide you and tell you why your lander is bad and stuff like that. It's actually a learning curve that you can actually go ahead and learn. That's what I will put. And as you can see over here, this is a top offer. You can promote this after you get approved. To speed up the process, contact Mobidia crew via online chat. This is what I wanted to say just now. So once you have actually applied, so click apply and everything. And then what you can actually do is you can actually wait until your offer is accepted, or you can just go to the online chat over here and tell them, hey, I'm running an offer for, I want to run an offer for this offer ID 21437. Please approve my application. And what they will do is they will approve your application. If everything is all right, they will go ahead and approve your application, and then you would be good to go and run this particular offer in RichPush. So this is how you choose the best offer which is going to make you a lot of money with RichPush using the affiliate network Mobidia. That's about it in today's video, guys. I think I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you and you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.